Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Agrawal. Today I am going to read news from Hindustan Times for news bulletin for ESEL. The headline is Airlines Scramble for Cabin Crew, Pilots as Talent War Hits Sky. The crowded skies over India have set off a talent war like never before, with the upcoming launch of Akasa Air, return of Jet Airways under its new promoters, and the Tata Group's takeover of Air India. With the new promoters of the two major airlines and the new entrant going all guns blazing to rope in the best of a perfect takeoff, incumbents are scurrying to retain their top pilots and cabin crew with bonuses and pay hikes to thwart attempts and poaching. Industry experts, however, fear the addition of new planes and increased demands for pilots will force carriers to hire foreign pilots, which, in addition to rising fuel costs, will dent the balance sheets of aviation companies. The airlines do not have time to build talent and will need to hire from the market. In this case, the existing leader will face the burn. There will be some form of retention bonus rolled out and marginal hikes for the top talent, said Nitin Sethi, Chief Executive Officer of Human Capital Business at consulting firm. Sethi said expect pilot will be hired, but their number will not be as high as 7 to 8 years ago as airlines will talk at tightrope between talent cost and high fuel prices. The talent tussle will heighten as Air India, Jet Airways and Akasa Air conduct recruitment drives. According to the PTI reports, 55% of Indigo's domestic flights were delayed on Saturday as a large number of cabin crew members took sick leave. The report linked their absence to recruitment interviews scheduled by Air India on that particular day. Both Indigo, India's top airline by market share, and Air India did not respond to queries sent on Monday. The talent war is likely to intensify, especially for cabin crew and pilots. Expect significant induction in cabin crew and flight crew. Constraints around pilot is likely to be serious in 1 to 2 years. Movement of pilots and cabin crew will follow a logical industry trend, but shift from weaker to stronger airlines is not surprising, said Kapil Kaul, CEO for Indian subcontinent and the Middle East at aviation consultancy CAPA. Airlines, both new and old, are conducting regular recruitment drives to attract talent. Today, we have close to 400 employees across all over functions. For the next several months, we will add approximately 175 additional employees per month, said Vinay Dubey, founder and CEO at Akasa Air. We expect to fly around 18 aircraft by the end of March 2023 with an employee strength of close to 2000, said Dubey. Akasa Air, backed by billionaire investor Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, expects to start scheduled commercial flights later this month. Route expansions are also propelling more recruitment. AirAsia conducted recruitment drives last Thursday to support its network expansion to Lucknow with daily direct flights connecting Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Goa. According to the Indian Aviation Outlook, financial year 2023 by CAPA, domestic traffic is expected to reach 130 to 140 million passengers this fiscal year through a tad less than financial year 2022 level. International traffic is expected to reach 55 to 60 million passengers, around 20% below the pre-COVID levels. So that's all for today, and if you want to pursue career in aviation, you can do courses from Aviation Skill Council and Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Thank you.